pencil mark. I judged with a bit of, this is 3mm leather cord. I judged where it wouldn't be too stuck out. I lost my words there. Anyway, okay, so we have that. Here I have a bit of clay. It's rolled out onto a number 3. I have the underside leaching a little bit, because if you don't want sticky clay on a wood stick, it'll be really hard to get off. So let it leach up for a minute. This is, I'd say, roughly 3.5mm, and I lubricated this with a little bit of Nivea Soft. Okay, I think we're ready to go ahead. I'm gonna put it right on the tip, not in the middle, on the tip. Gently wrap it around. Make your mark. Voila. Angle cut. And there we go. I'm going to take this and very gently roll. If you roll too hard, it'll stick. If it sticks, it's not too bad. I mean, it's not the end of the world. You just put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes and then try to get it off the stick as soon as you can. It usually works. Not always, but usually. And this is a little stuck. Okay, great. Right, so what we're gonna do is just gonna make it nice and cut off the end. Yeah, my clay is too fresh. Okay. That is the right size. So I'm gonna go put this in the freezer and I'll be right back. Okay, out of the freezer. Now let's see if we can get this off. Now, there we go. There we go, very good. Okay, now here we are. Now we're going to get our super glue, or I call it crazy glue. We're going to put a little line just here. You see the pencil mark? Right. Oh. I'm not bothered if you can see it just now, the super glue, because we're going to be covering this with liquid clay. Well, that super glue worked a little faster than I thought it would. Okay. Now, we get some of our Kato clear. You don't need much. And a brush. And very gently get it in there. Doing this bail will not budge. It cannot snap off. This Kato liquid is strong. Okay, I'm happy enough with that. This will level out now when it starts to cure in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for, I'd say, about 20 minutes. Then I am going to finish it off, the shine, with the heat gun. This bail is strong. It's going nowhere. It's really, really, really strong.